Okay, I'll do a quick review on Banquet ground and serve sausage patties. I bought these yesterday at Walmart. Not Walmart. Save a Lot for the first time, and fixed them this morning to try them out. I didn't think about putting it on meat, trying them for the first time on video until after I done ate them. I think it cost about $3. That Save a Lot. No, can't remember for sure. Okay, get 8 of them in a package. Serving is 2 patties. You get 4 servings per box. 150 calories, calories and fats 120. 13 grams total fat. 4.5 grams saturated fat. Cholesterol 25 milligrams. Sodium 350 milligrams. 1 total carbohydrate. And less than 1 gram of sugar. Protein 6 grams. 4% of your calcium. And 4% of your iron. Let it boil daily. These are pretty easy to cook. You stick them in the microwave. I heated them up in a skillet. Only took about 10 minutes. Heat them up real quick. They're pretty good. Now, the sausage are pretty mild. Spicy wise, not really with spice or anything. I can't eat real spicy food. That's something I have to watch. The spicy food makes me sick to my stomach. I have a lot of problems with my stomach. They were pretty good. Nobody else in there in the house tried. I ate them. I was pretty hungry and I ended up eating all of them by myself. I was pretty happy with them. Got good taste and easy to fix. Yeah, something quick and easy to cook for breakfast or quick little snack or something. This is Banquet's ground and serve sausage patties. You can find them in your stores, frozen food off, where they got frozen meat.